At Texas Injection Molding, we provide secondary operations that can be completed at the press or offline as required. Our comprehensive offerings include mechanical assembly, packaging, kitting, printing, machining, heat staking, and sonic welding of plastic components. We have a variety of plastic printing technologies to mark and decorate plastic parts. Our pad printing process involves transferring ink from a silicone pad onto a custom etched design. This method is ideally suited to print on three-dimensional surfaces and hard-to-print objects. Hot stamping transfers a decorative polyester foil using a heated dye to the plastic part, resulting in a wide variety of metallic finishes or stock colors. However, it's best suited for mostly flat surfaces. With thermotransfer, we screen print on a clear polyester film, followed by a heat-activated adhesive. It's a good option for custom colors and multicolored logos and images on flat surfaces. Digital printing uses UV LED cured ink to apply high-resolution images directly to the plastic surface, offering additional abrasion resistance and high-gloss images. It's ideal for mostly flat surfaces. Dot peen marking involves striking the surface electromechanically with a tool to create images, numbers, and letters. This process enables permanent marking on plastic, metal, or other hard surfaces, including curved or 3D surfaces. For assistance with your project, give us a call at 281-489-4292 or use our contact form.